for this next back exercise using the dumbbells, we're gonna talk about the dumbbell bent over row. Now the benefit of this exercise is you're able to get that full rotation, especially up into that back muscle back here into your scapula. So you want your scapula to almost come over through the side. That's gonna give you that full rotation that you can't get with a barbell. So with the dumbbell, you're able to target one singularly. You can also do two. Personally, I like to do the single because it allows a little bit more isolation for you to really work that muscle. You'll know that you're feeling it a lot more. But yeah, let's take a look at the bent over dumbbell row. Now, the side of the body that is lifting the dumbbell, that same leg should be on the ground. And then the opposing side, hand and leg should be on the bench to provide stabilization. You want to focus on really pulling up that weight all the way and almost turning over your scapula to engage those lats and a little bit of your traps as well. Mind muscle connection is key here, and try to stabilize your back so you're not rocking or shaking back and forth.